Hey everybody, Captain Danny here. We're going to have some fun with the Ferro rod today. I had a viewer named Toby sent me a couple of them. I've never used them before, but I figured we could have a little fun with them. Now, what if you were out on your boat and you needed just to start a fire, for say a candle, or to light your smoke, or to start your stove, just for whatever reason. Let's say your Bic lighter punked out and the flint on it's gone too. Well, you got a Ferro stick, okay? And I'm going to try to use my first aid kit and see if it's got all necessary ingredients in it to get me like a match going, where I can light a candle, or I could light a stove, I could light a cigarette, or you get the idea, right? Okay, let's try this out. I got also safety equipment. Look at that. I got a fire extinguisher ready. I got this all set up here. I mean, we're gonna try to start a fire on a boat, right? Okay. Well, we try to make it controlled, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you how this is done. Let's do it. Ready. Try to put the pads in there, a little bit more cotton. Here we go. Yep, started it right up. Got my little torch going, sorta. Well, torch doesn't burn good. Boy, that alcohol swab did. Now take that over there and light the candle. Come on, candle. Look, it's burning. Well, that was pretty cool. It worked. The alcohol swab definitely ignited. Let's try that again. Single pad. Soak it on there a little bit. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's burning. Alright. Once again, we started the candle. We have made fire. We are greater than the animals, because we have fire and we can go inside and have a party now. Alright everyone, stay tuned for the next Playing with Ferro rods. Yeah. Scratch.